early days, you must have enjoyed the live classes also. This is your English class. So I welcome all of you to this class. Before this class, you must have enjoyed the math and Odia classes. So today we read a poem. Before going to the subject, before going to the lesson, I would like to ask you a question. So tell me, what is the aim in your life? What do you want to be in your future? Obviously, genuine answer, doctor, engineer, teacher, dancer or singer, like this. But here, something different is here in this poem. That is, let us read the poem and see what the poet wants to be. Okay? Now see the poem. Have you got your poem books? If you don't have, get your books. If you don't have books with you, then the admission is going on in our schools. You come and get the admission and take the books. Okay? Now see the book. Here, I am going to read the poem. You follow me and watch and listen carefully. Okay? Are you ready? Start. See. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? Next, second para. I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, lying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? Okay. You go through the topic and read 4 to 5 times, then write once and by heart the lesson. First, I will make you understand what is the topic. Copy कौन हेबाको चाहुचंती. As a human being, he can never be an animal. He can never be an animal like monkey or tiger. जेहेतु जाने मनीष कभी जाने मनीष से जाने टाइगर किंबा मंकी हेबाको चाहिबे कि किंतु से चाहिछथि काहे कि चाहिछथि हां why does he want to be a monkey? Because the animals, they lead a free life. They don't have any social barrier. So the poet wants. In our daily life there are so many obstacles, so many rules and regulations. The poet, he is obeying the rules and regulations of the government, of the society. मनीष दृष्टि समाज रे बहुत बोझ नहीं कि चाहती ना कभी किंतु जाने पशु से पूरा फ्री लाइफ मेंटेन करची तेणु he wants to be a tiger. See the first para, he wants to be a monkey. Here one thing I want to tell you, the lesson I would like to be. This is the short form of I would. This is the short form of I would, and would is a modal verb. Would is a modal verb. That means, I give you some example. I would like to say you. मु कहिबाकु चाहिबी. I would like to play with you. मु तुम सहित खेलिबाकु चाहिबी. Like this. See, I will make you understand the paragraph. I would like to be a monkey. मु गटे माखड़ हेबाकु चाहिबी and climb the tree so high. मु गछर उपरकु चढ़ीबी. Jumping from branch to branch, डाळरु डाळ डेइबी till I reach the sky. आकाश को छुईबा पर्यंत. मु जदि गटे मंकी हेबी ताहाले मु डाळरु डाळ डेइबी ऊंचा ऊंचा गछ डेइबी आकाश को छुईबा पर्यंत मु डेउथिबी. Playing and skipping all day long. तमे माने देखिथिबो माकड़ माने डाळरु डाळ ओळिकी Maybe how to be. I would like to be a monkey. And what about you? Here the poet asks you. Here about what about you? What do you want to be in your future? Here see monkey. You know the monkey. A man-like animal. मनुष्य भली जड़े गोटे पशु. That is monkey. And branch. What is branch? A part of a tree where birds make their nest. And what is tree? It gives us fruit and flowers and this much. Here are some words. Okay, let me finish the second part, the meaning. I would like to be a tiger. Again, the poet is saying, "Mo gote baku hebaku pasand karibi." Tiger, the national animal of India. I would like to be a tiger. Mo gote tiger hebaku chahibi and roam the jungle deep. Ghancha jungle bhitare bulibi. Lying in sunlight all day long. Dino sara khorare sunlight khorare सूर्यकर उष्णता पाई warm and fast asleep. सूर्यकर उष्णता रे दिन बेला खरारे मोकड़ उष्णता पाई गभीर निद्रा रे सोई जीवी. सर्चिंग ऑल नाइट थ्रो. राति सारा सर्च करिबी. सर्च करी मतलब लुक फॉर खोजिबा. कोन खोजिबी? फूड खाद्य. सर्चिंग ऑल नाइट थ्रो. आई वुड शिकार से खोजिबी. राति सारा सर्च करिबी. आई वुड लाइक टू बी ए टाइगर. गोटे बाघ बाबू चाहिबी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू? सी दिस इज ए अनरियल थिंग. दिस इज नॉट रियल थिंग. ए मैन कैन बी ए मंकी. जने मनुष्य बाघ होई जिवो कि माकड़ होई जिवो एटा रियल थिंग वे. एटा अनरियल थिंग. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन arises. Why does the poet wants to be a monkey and to be a tiger? Because he wants to flee from the social barrier. Okay? Now, see some ing forms: jumping, skipping, play. Okay? Jumping, jumping हेबा बेले. Skipping, skipping काहीकि हला. पिला माने एटा जंपिंग जंप आसीची जंपिंग जंप. देखिबो एटा लास्ट लेटर ता अछि कॉन्सोनेंट. लास्ट लेटर अछि कॉन्सोनेंट माने व्यंजन वर्ण. व्यंजन वर्णर पूर्व अक्षर मध्य व्यंजन वर्ण तेनु बा कॉन्सोनेंट. तेनु सेठी आईएनजी हला. एठी देखो स्किप SKIP स्किप. स्किप लास्ट लेटर अछि P. P र पूर्व लेटर कोन अछि ना भावेल अछि. तेनु एटा डबल P हे गला. एठी तमे प्रश्न करि पारो ईटिंग. ईट रो ईटिंग. एठी काहे कि एठी त टी पूर्व भावेल अछि. एठी काहे कि डबल T हेला नै. त माने प्रश्न करि पारो. तार उत्तर होछि टी पूर्व गोटिए भावेल नै. दिटा भावेल अछि. E A दिटा भावेल अछि. तेनु एठी खाली आईएनजी हेला. अच्छा तमे एठी प्रश्न करि पारो प्लेइंग. PLAYING प्ले. प्ले करे प्लेइंग केमि काहे कि डबल y हला नाही. एठी प्रश्न करि पारो. एठी y ता साइलेंट रहि जाउची. y रा व्यंजन वर्णर कोनोसी उच्चारण होनी. जस्ट हमें एठी उच्चारण करछि प्ले. और एठी खाली आईएनजी हे गला. एठी व्यंजन वर्ण उच्चारण हो नाही y. तेनु हम एठी करे. वर्तमान एठी केतेटा हियर आर सम वर्ड्स. There are some letters are silent. I will give you tell. Climb. CLIMB. What do you read it? What do you pronounce it? This is not climb. This is climb. This is climb. Here B is silent. Here B is silent. माने उहे रहि जाउची. B हमें उच्चारण करिबा नाही किंतु लेखिबा. And some other words are here. Sunlight. Sunlight. Generally, we pronounce G as G. G as G. Gita. 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 But here G and H. H generally we pronounce it H as H. Horse. H for horse. But here G pronounced. It means we are saying sunlight, sunlight. We are saying like this, sunlight. Where is GH? GH is silent here. See, find out and write down some other silent words in your mind. Okay, now I will ask you some questions. If the poet became a monkey, then where would we decline? जदि गोटे माकड़ हे थाते ताले कुआडे चढ़ी थाते where would it climb? The question and the answer, you think? The answer is it would climb up to branch. It would climb to branch, it would jump branch to branch of a tree, or it would climb to the tree so high. It would climb to the tree so high. The next question, where would it jump? It would jump from branch to branch. Give you the homework. I'll give you the homework. First thing is homework is read the poem 3 times and write once. Again repeat it. Again read 3 times and write once. Then you will by heart reading. Okay. Then the second homework is, this is number 1. Number 2 is make sentence. Make sentences using, make 10 sentences. Make 10 sentences using I would like to be. I would like to. I would like to. I'll give you some examples. I would like to play cricket. I would like to speak something. I would like to beat you. Are you ready? I would like to beat you. Okay, let the school open. No. You are a good students. So